In previous lecture, we have studied about the different certifications like OCOTEX certification, ISO certification, and S8000 certification, OCOTEX STEP certification, Green Button certification. Now, today we will discuss about EU Flower certification versus Ecolabel certifications. Both are used in manufacturing industry as well as for compliance purpose. What is EU flower certification? EU flower certification. This certification is an initiative by European Union that signifies a product's environmental excellence across its life cycle. It covers various products categories and sets strict criteria concerning environmental performance. The EU flower certification, the EU flower logo is awarded to products meeting these criteria, indicating they have low environmental impact compared to similar products on the market. So this certification is related to environmental excellence, environmental impact, or environmental performance of the product. Ecolabel certification. Ecolabel certification in a general encompass a broader range of environmental criteria beyond the EU flower standards. So they can be issued by different organizations, both governmental or non-governmental, are not limited to EU. So eco-label certification evaluate products or services based on their environmental impact, taking into account the factors like energy efficiency, reduced waste, sustainable sourcing, and overall eco-label footprints. So it is Ecolabel, you can say Ecolabel certification in a journal encompass a broader range of environmental criteria beyond the EU flower standard. So this certification has broader spectrum and even it is involved in the supply chain process or throughout the process of the product manufacturing. These were the terminologies used in different compliance departments or manufacturing industries regarding eco-label certification and EU flower certification. So EU flower certification has a limited scope just like environmental impact related to product, but eco-label has a broader range of the complete life cycle of the product.